My first question is, will the executive committee be pleased to state, is there any NOC issued by council or any company consultancy to conduct any survey with regards to establishment of railway lines in JJ Hills? And the answer that I got is no. Means there is no NOC. But my first supplementary question is, according to the news report published in Warta on April 26, 2024, with the headlines, that the KSU is the Hills District Unit, yet no one has surveyed Nenunta Kaliti Rail Kaunchna. Wah, entah bagi facts, bagi data, bagi Q2 Dibru Talk Sket Dibru yang benar is Frontier Railway. So my supplementary question is, how can the NFR conduct a survey without the knowledge and without NOC or without the right information of the district council?
Satu masalah, ibu dokter mengenai yang council putih di WR Lampet, Australia itu menteri kubur menteri Warta menteri Sulawesi, yang rumah official di dalam office. Kalau kata buat, kita melihat di dalam politik council kita kamu di bertanya di lebih kali, cuma kita di melihat di politik.
So we got in Kima. It means anyone can come and whatever they want in our district. So thank you so much, CM, for the reply. My second supplementary question is, how to council dalam jangkaan pensenyak syah dia kan ayat NOC ada NFR kapan nanti railway Hajan Hills.
Cuma saya punya orang lagi dari mana kata, bukan baru dari mulai baru dari kita, bukan dari seperti ini itu cukup tinggi di warga. Jadi kalau mereka ada, kita akan melakukan. Karena bukan approach kalau kita dari nasional,
Thank you so much, CM, for the reply. And my third supplementary question based on railway lines. What is the stand of the council with regard to the issue of railway lines in JJ Hills? What is the stand of the council?
We internal condition everything to do the international view of
what is the attempt? What is the stand? You gain the council we see the stand the railway for railway or not against railway. This is why the answer.
Because you get we want need ma in yang mana le party le FK mu party le MK mu si council ya le to mas me da lu le spekulasi da le plan da kan. Jadi rumit ni kita dah you